traditional Bengali fish curry, doi mach. Bengali doi mach has marinated pieces of fish cooked in a yogurt based onion gravy. So let's begin the recipe. For this I have taken half kg of rohu fish that I have washed and cleaned properly. Now I am going to marinate the fish. For this I have taken 1 cup of curd. I am going to add some dry masalas in it. So I am adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and salt as per taste. Beat the curd very well. Otherwise there would be lumps in while you cook in the gravy and those lumps will not look nice. Now marinate the fish with this masala curd. Marinate it thoroughly and keep it aside for 15 minutes. You have to marinate it like this properly. Let's prepare the gravy. Add 2 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee and heat it. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, few cloves and let it crackle. I have taken 2 big size onions and I have made a paste out of it. I am going to add this in oil and fry it. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger paste. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Next add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Now see, the onions are fried and the raw smell of ginger has gone. Now in this bed of masalas add only the marinated fish. You have to add the fish like this and then cook it in the bed of onions. Cook the fish in this masala, flipping both sides so that it gets evenly cooked from all sides. Make sure it doesn't get break. This is the remaining marination. I am keeping it aside. I am going to mix it later in the gravy. See, you have to cook the fish like this and in a low to medium flame, and in between you keep on flipping the fish like this so that both sides are evenly cooked. After 2 minutes I am flipping the fish so that the other side gets cooked. You have to see, cook like this. Many people fry the fish and then cook it in the gravy after marinating it, but I am cooking it in this way because the flavors will get absorbed in the fish due to the steam. This is the remaining marination. I am going to add cashew nut paste in this. I have taken 10 to 12 cashew nuts and made a paste out of it. Now in this I am going to add 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 tablespoon garam masala and mix it well. Then add this marination in the fish. This is the leftover marination along with cashew nut paste that I am mixing. Now cook the fish very gently in this gravy, else it will break, and cook for another 5 minutes. Gently move the fishes like this so that it gets cooked properly. Flip the fishes on the other side after 5 minutes so that both sides are cooked evenly. The gravy is ready. Finish it with chopped coriander leaves and slit green chilies. See, the fishes are evenly cooked.